We're tracking torrential rain, non-severe thunderstorms, but these storms are still packing a punch, producing 500 to 1,000 lightning strikes every 5 or 6 minutes or so. And overall, you could see the direction of the showers and thunderstorms making their way east into portions of Denton and McKinney counties, and Collin County, I should say, that are getting pretty much slammed with the heavy rain. Let's jump right into it right now. We're still seeing some lingering downpours into Wise County as well as into portions of Jack County for this morning. Take a look at this. Into Tarrant County, we're continuing to see mainly some light to moderate rain, but up to our north, Denton County, Collin County for this morning, seeing very heavy rain. If you're about to head out the door this morning, it's going to take you longer to get to your destination. If you're traveling on Interstate 35 this morning, anywhere from Valley View to Sanger to Denton to Hickory Creek, even as far south as Flower Mound, you're going to be dealing with ponding onto those roadways and very heavy rain outside. Zooming up a little bit up to our north, Cook County into Montague County, we're still continuing to track very heavy rainfall. Moving out to the east, let's take a look and put a little track on these storms. Notice right around the 7:20 time frame, you'll see this impacting Collin County into McKinney, UT Dallas around 7:30, Dallas Metro 7:48, although I do think the heaviest of the rain stays into the northern half of Dallas County. 8:49 for Ennis, and notice as we move out to the east and also into our southeast, 9:36 for Corsicana, and areas like Paris, we'll see it right around 10:02. Notice the radar loop over about the last 3 hours. We're continuing to see some flash flooding that's ongoing, mainly north of our viewing area, but you could still see ponding onto those roadways. I mean, we've been picking up plenty of rainfall over the last couple of hours. Some of these storms are producing rainfall rates anywhere from 1 to 3 inches an hour. We're continuing to deal with the heavy rain. We also have gusty winds, reports of wind gusts anywhere from 40 to 50 miles per hour. There was a report from the National Weather Service chat. We saw some downed trees into portions of Palo Pinto County. Here's what we have this morning. This is the setup. We have a stalled front up to the north, so areas south of the front will be a little bit warmer for today. Areas north of the front will be a little bit cooler. Looking outside, certainly a stormy start across East Fort Worth, and all of us are continuing to deal with very heavy rain this morning. It's a first alert weather day for this morning due to strong to severe storms producing gusty winds and heavy rain. We still have a level 1 risk for strong to severe storms, mainly for damaging winds as well as heavy rain. Let's put a little futurecast look on these storms. Notice they'll be out to the east by about, let's say, I want to say 7 to 9 o'clock for this morning. So we have the Juneteenth march ongoing into portions of Fort Worth. I would plan to bring the poncho to that if you're attending. Expect at the very worst light to maybe moderate showers that'll pass through. I don't think we'll be seeing these stronger thunderstorms like Denton County and Collin counties are seeing at the moment. Later today, we see plenty of clouds and we could see an isolated shower or rumble. Otherwise, temperatures stay a little bit cooler than yesterday. We'll be into the 80s. Our heat advisory today is out to the southeast, including areas like Corsicana and Athens. They'll see feels like temperatures as hot as 108 degrees. Now, we will start to see our heat index values, or our feels like temperatures, rise right back up as we move ahead into this weekend. It'll feel like 101 degrees for tomorrow. It'll feel like 108 degrees by Sunday for Father's Day. Temperatures soar into the middle 90s, and it does look like the 90s will stay with us into next week. Your first alert 7-day forecast, 90 on Saturday, 96 by Sunday, and those continue into Monday, the very hot temperatures. And then moving ahead into next week, we will have some more storm chances into the forecast.